Hey, it's Mike at HungryRealtor here with What's for Dinner. This is what I made tonight. Tuscan style sausage, peppers and onions over some spaghetti. We needed one red bell pepper, a small onion. We're going to chop those up. There's also some fresh parsley on the cutting board now that appeared out of nowhere. We got hot water. We're going to boil that with some salt in it so it boils faster. Then we're going to get another pan. We're going to heat that up, throw some oil in it. While that's heating up, we're going to throw some pasta in the boiling water over there. This is time lapse, people. There we go. You can see you're going to add the pasta and we're going to boil that for 8 to 9 minutes for al dente. Get them onions and peppers in the pan with some Tuscan spice. What the hell is Tuscan spice? Well, it's basil, rosemary, oregano, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and some ground fennel. Recipe in the description. We're going to stir that pasta in. Also added some oil to the water so it didn't stick. We're going to make sure we move those peppers around so they don't burn. Listen to that sizzle. I love it. Again, we're going to continue to stir both the pasta and the peppers. Now we're going to add a little more oil for the pan and find that ground sausage. I used about a pound. I'm going to throw that in there. So once we get the ground sausage in the pan, we're going to just let it brown for a little bit. Just kind of forget about it for a couple seconds. Pay attention to the pasta. Pay attention to those peppers and onions. Then we're going to flip it over. Let it brown some more on the other side. Again, I love that sizzle. Ignore the baby in the background. We're going to spread the sausage and brown it up and break it up. Again, every once in a while you want to taste a piece of pasta. It's not ready yet, so I left it alone. We're going to flip that over and break up the sausage some more, and then mix it all up. Again, that sizzle is fantastic. Look at that spatula work. You think this guy might have done it before. Pasta's not ready yet. But we're going to add the crushed tomatoes to the sausage, peppers, and onions. And then with that crushed tomatoes, we're going to add some more Tuscan spice, salt and pepper. We like seasonings here in this house. No bland food coming out of my kitchen. Again, that Tuscan seasoning, that's 4 parts dried basil, 2 parts rosemary, 2 parts oregano, 2 parts garlic powder, 1 part cayenne pepper, 1 part ground fennel. Oh, my secret ingredient, the water from the pasta. That starchy water is actually going to help thicken up that sauce with the sausage. Now we're tasting that to make sure it's al dente. And this time it was, so we're going to take it over to the sink, throw it in the strainer, throw it back in the pot, and then bring it over and put it back on the stove. All right, it's gonna be really quick, but I'm gonna take a little pat of butter, and I'm gonna throw it in that pot with the pasta and start mixing it around. I try and show it to the camera because it's sped up. It's really quick. Now we're gonna let this simmer for a while. I cut it here, so again, so the video is not 20 minutes long, so it's ready to go in the pot with the pasta. Then we just mix it up. Very easy recipe, folks. I hope you liked it and you make it for dinner, and then let me know about it in the comments. because I did this for my wife and I tonight for dinner. I had two plates, one for her, one for me. You can see mine is in the background has a little bit more on it because I was hungry. We're just gonna uh, top it with some shredded Parmesan and some fresh parsley here, and I'll tell you what, she loved it. And here's the finished product, a close up. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe for more info.